Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Hyundai Kona, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation. It's just your regular taillight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing and fading over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be slip solution, tack solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the tail light. So all you need to do is apply slip solution to the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, start removing all the contaminants that the tail light may have. So now we can start with the installation. We're going to start off by applying the film on this section of the tail light first. So apply slip solution to the lens and into the adhesive side of the film. And you want to start by aligning the film to this top corner here. So make sure you bring the film in and align it right on the top edge. So roughly around there. So once you have it on the edge, lift it carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. That way we're able to secure this section of the film and then stretch the rest of the film in order to remove the finger that we will encounter around this curve area. So just make sure also to remove any solution that's trapped underneath the film. That way you don't have bubbles after you finish with the installation. Okay, now that we have this section secured, all we need to do is stretch the film to reach to this edge, and we're able to wrap this around the curve here. So if the film did get dry, carefully remove it and apply slip solution underneath and on the adhesive side of the film. Make sure this area is dry, that way we have better grip and stretching the film. So just like that, and then just stretch the film in order to remove the finger that we have here. This has to be like this. That should be good. Hold it in position and apply tack solution on top. That way we're able to start securing the whole film. And before we seal the top edge, we need to make sure that there's no solution underneath the film. So just make sure you remove everything. And then once we make sure that there's no solution underneath, then we could seal this top edge in order to install the next piece that goes on top. Okay, so once we finish removing all the solution underneath the film, just apply tack solution on the top edge and apply heat all over the edges. And then with our microfiber towel, we're going to help it tack down. So just like this. So once you ensure that the top section of the film is secured, now we can move on and installing the piece that goes on top. So now we're moving on with the top section. So for this one, we recommend applying tack solution on top instead of using slip solution. The reason being is because since the film is more smaller, it's going to be more faster to just apply tack solution in order for the adhesive on the film to activate faster, and also you're able to tack it down more faster. So make sure you apply tack solution on the adhesive side of the film as well. And on top, make sure to align it right on the edge and use your squeegee to start securing it. And just lift the film and just follow the design of the top section until you wrap around. So tack down as you go, basically. And make sure to start tacking it down with your squeegee to secure it. That way the film doesn't lift as we are lifting and adjusting it to the design of the tail light here. So just follow it, and as you're following it, you can do a light stretch in order to stretch the film to reach it to this lower section here. So apply a little bit more of tack solution around this area in case it did get dry. Place the film back down and do a light stretch. Lift it here, stretch, and tack it down. And just start tacking it down. And to remove these fingers that are located on the top section, all you need to do is apply tack solution on top where the fingers are located, and with your heat gun apply heat, that way we're able to shrink the fingers. And then once you shrink them enough, then we could wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee just like this and start tagging it down. just make sure you go all around on each section where you see the fingers. That way we remove it and secure the film. And if you don't have space, then just grab your squeegee itself without the microfiber towel and tuck it in inside. And that's it. Just make sure you're not leaving any solution underneath the film that will cause any bubbles afterwards. And after that, you're done with this part and we can move on to the top pieces of the tail light. Okay, so now we're moving on to this section of the tail light. So with this one, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And you want to align it to this section of the tail light first. So make sure lift it and adjust it to the curve here. If you need to lift and keep adjusting, you can. Just make sure you're covering everything here. So it should be like this. So like almost right in the middle between the other part. Once you have it aligned, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. And we're going to secure a good amount of the film on this section that we were able to stretch the rest of the film to remove this finger and align it to this edge. Okay, once we secured this section, now we need to stretch the film. So lift the film carefully and apply slip solution underneath the film. Make sure this area is dry. And now grabbing the film from here, stretch it until you reach to this edge. So just like that. So once you have it on the edge, apply a tack solution on top. That way we're able to secure the film. And make sure to remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And to remove this finger here, just apply tack solution and heat and squeegee it out. And now just ensure that the top section is sealed as well. So just apply tack solution and apply heat to seal the top edge. So now we're moving on to the top piece. So with this one, apply tack solution on top and tack solution on the adhesive side of the film. And you want to start by aligning it right on the edge as well. So make sure you align it where the edge is located. So right there, hold it in position, apply tack solution, and then grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. And the same steps as how we did it for the lower section of the film, it would be applied here. So we're just lifting and tagging it down as we go. So just like this. And then apply tack solution on top, and with our squeegee, we're going to secure it to tack it down. And then once we're done tacking the film down, we're going to apply tack solution once more, but on the edges, and then with heat and a microfiber towel to seal the edge. Tack solution, grab your heat gun, and slowly and carefully start tacking it down to seal it. And just repeat the same steps until you seal the whole film and remove any fingers that are popping on the top edge. Okay, and now we're done with this piece, and now we can move on with the last piece of the tail light. So for this last one, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just place the film right on the edge here. So make sure you align it on the edge, and we're going to apply tack solution to secure it in this position. That way we can finish it off and aligning it here. So apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film, hold it in position and tack it down. And once we secured this section, all we need to do is stretch the film just a little bit to reach to that edge, hold it in position, and just tack it down. On this section of the curve, just apply a little bit of tack solution and heat to help it tack down to the curve. So once you finish with the whole installation, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire tail light. So just apply tack solution all over the film, and we're going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down the film as we're applying heat with our heat gun. So just apply heat to help the adhesive activate faster, and also we're helping it tack down with our microfiber towel and also removing any solution that may still be trapped underneath the film. And then when you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So just make sure you take your time, go all over the film, making sure everything's secured. Thank you for choosing Forward Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the 2022 Hyundai Kona. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.